जैसे एक काल हम लोग श्लोक का वर्णन किया था, माधुर्य रूप में ऐश्वर्य का भाव उत्पन्न होता है। तृतीय स्कंध से द्वितीय अध्याय 21 नंबर श्लोक में हमने श्रवण किया था। स्वयं श्री कृष्ण ये सत्य के अभिष्ट, उनके समान भी कोई भी नहीं है और उनके बढ़कर तो कोई हिस्से नहीं होता है। वे अपने राज्यलक्ष्मी शंकर पूजना काम है। इंद्र आदि असंख्य नाना प्रकार के भाव से चरण इस कथा को हमने कल श्रवण किया था। विशेष करके वर्णन किया था स्वराज्य लक्ष्मी अष्ट समस्त कामों। लक्ष्य आत्मकाम राज्य लक्ष्मी अर्थात सिद्ध राज्य लक्ष्मी कृष्ण की समस्त कामनाएं पूर्ण करती है। इस लक्ष्मी के बारे में हमने बताया था। इस संसार में लक्ष्मी उसके धनरात्रि लक्ष्मी का स्वर्ग में जो लक्ष्मी है स्वर्ग लक्ष्मी का देता है। स्वर्ग लक्ष्मी जो है वो स्वर्ग में रहती है, जिससे व्यक्ति के करना अपराध होने पर समुद्र मंथन करना पड़ा और विश्वस्त करना।
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna.
और लक्ष्मी वैकुंठ लक्ष्मी।
So there is so we have heard about the Vaikuntha Lakshmi, Swarga Lakshmi, or Dhanvantari, this worldly Lakshmi. So I have them all. We have heard about the Srimati Radhika in the Dwarkapuri Dham. So they all are Lakshmi too. And all the origin of the Lakshmi, she is Srimati Radhaji. She is the origin of all kind of Lakshmis. So we have already discussed about this yesterday. Sarva Devi Devi Krishna Mai Prokta Radha Paradevta Sarva
Can you check if the voice is coming or not? Because yesterday people were complaining. No voice is coming.
Yes, the topmost Lakshmi or all the origin of the Lakshmi, Radhika Rani is called. That's why her name is Radhika. Because she fulfill all the desire of Krishna, that is why her name is Radhika, Radha. It is mentioned in the Chaitanya Charitamrita. Who fulfill all the desires of Krishna, that is why she is Radha. So in Chaitanya Charitamrita, Krishna Das Kaviraj Goswami has described every word's meaning there. So Devi means here who by their all beautifulness or the madhurya, she attracted Krishna or fulfill all the desires of Krishna.
किंवा कृष्ण क्रीडार वसति नगरी, अथवा कृष्ण की क्रीड़ा करने के लिए है, मानो उनकी सारी
So all the body parts of Shrimati Radhika Rani is a playground of for Krishna.
जैसे
Just like
नगरी में अनेक प्रकार जो है
you take care of
साधन
this.
आदि की व्यवस्था रहता है, जो उनकी entertainment करने के लिए।
Yes, in the town you have seen that there are many kinds of playgrounds or peoples arranges so many kinds of programs there for playing. So in the same way, the body parts or body of the Radhika Rani is a playground or is a play place for Radhika.
इसलिए कहते हैं कृष्ण क्रीड़ा
Basati, Krishna ki Rod Basati.
और ये भी हम कल वर्णन किया था।
So we have already discussed yesterday
श्याम के पराय श्याम रस,
Aswada Madhupan, who always relish the give the Shamras to Krishna. That is why she is Shama.
इसलिए श्याम रस के बारे में क्या बताया याद है?
Ah.
श्याम श्रृंगार रस,
Shama means the Shangaras, yes.
श्याम
Shangaras.
श्याम के पराय श्याम रस मधुपा, श्याम रस शब्द का अर्थ होता है
So the Shamras meaning is Shangaras.
श्रीमती राधिका कृष्ण की जो है
Srimati Radhika
श्रृंगार रस माधुर्य से पान
always provides all kinds of Shangaras to Shri Krishna. That is why, according to the Shri Krishna's bhav, so according to their bhav, so he always manifested her form in that way. So there are many kinds of Braj gopis. They are non-different from Krishna, Radhika. They are not non-different from Radha. So Radharani herself, she expansion her many forms in the gopis. So that's why they are giving so much ras or pleasure to Krishna in that forms.
360 प्रकार की जो नायिका है,
So there are 360 types of nayikas or heroines are described in the scriptures.
ये 360 प्रकार की जो है सभी जो है ये सब राधा जी की प्रकाश विग्रह
So these all 63 360 kinds of nayikas or heroines are the expansion of Srimati Radhika.
हेतु
For Krishna's pleasure, they have expansion herself in this form.
इस कथा को हम काल
So we have already heard this katha yesterday.
कृष्ण के नाम श्याम है, श्याम वर्ण
Krishna name is Sham because her complexion is Sham. That is why her name is Sham. And because Radharani fulfill all the desires of Krishna, that is why her name is Shama.
श्याम रस की अमूर्त प्रकाश होने के नाते श्याम लिखा है। कृष्ण समस्त रसों की मूल आकर्ता है।
So Krishna is the form of all kind relishing the ras. Krishna is relishing all kinds of ras. That is why he is called Rasoswaya.
आस्वादन करते
He always relish all kinds of rases.
श्याम होने के नाते
So being a name of his Sham,
प्रिया जो श्रीमती राधा की
her Priya name becomes Shama.
इस श्यामा शब्द की अर्थ काल भी हमने वासुदेव का वर्णन किया था। ये पद्मबंधी बकुल जस्ता करुण जस्ता मधुर न करे, कृष्ण काले शिशिरता शीत काले गुरुचि अकाले दंजुलो जस्सा पद घाते पद घातेन ना घातेन पुष्पति मुखवासिश्च बुतुलासा श्यामा नीति यह है के नाम श्यामा उपरा
Why Radharani names become Shama, whose Naika's body parts, the fragrance of their body parts
कमल के भांति
is just like a blossoms lotus
मिश्रित हुई, कमल की सुगंध के भांति मिश्रित
flows.
इतने सुगंध में जो कमल के गंध भी
So the body fragrance of Radhika Rani is just like a blossom's
श्री अंग
lotus.
जो है
Her,
तदंग सर्वदा उन्नत और जिनकी अंग जो है
her body
शरीर
parts
जो है ग्रीष्म काल में
in the summer it's very cold, and in the winter it's very hot.
जिनकी चरण कमल के स्पर्श होने से साथ ही साथ
Whose body, whose footsteps touches the feet of the ground, touches the ground.
प्रस्फुटित हो जाता है
So there is a kinds of ashok flower. It appears there.
मुखवास
Getting?
बकुलास आसना परिवर्तिता जिनकी मुख में जो है
In her,
सुगंध की जो है
so the fragrance of her mouth
बकुल पुष्प अपने आप
is just like a bakul pushpa.
अथवा बकुल पुष्प की सुगंध की ही पराभूत करने वाले जिनकी मुखगंध का
So the fragrance of her mouth is similar to the bakul flower.
एक वर्णन होते जा रहे हैं
So this is all mentioned in the shlokas about Srimati Radhika Rani. That is why her name is Shama. So we have already heard this katha yesterday very nicely. Let me check the sound there. Hold this.
अपराध चित जगत में राजू लक्ष्मी श्री कृष्ण की समस्त भावनाएं पूर्ण करती है श्री कृष्ण की इन वैकुंठ धाम से जितनी भी लीलाएं हैं उन सब में उनकी नरवत लीला ही सर्वश्रेष्ठ है उससे जितने भी लीला आदि करते हैं वैकुंठ किंतु वृंदावन की लीला को कहा जाता है नरवत लीला कृष्ण जते खेला सर्वोत्तम नर लीला नर बपु तहार स्वरूप गोपवेश दिन पर नव किशोर नटवर नर लीला भय इस कथा का मतलब
So we have already heard this katha yesterday very nicely.
स्मरण करने के लिए
So for just reminding you, I will just tell a little bit glory about that yesterday katha.
अंतपुर गोलोक में वृंदावन का माधुर्य परिमंडित ऐश्वर्य वैकुंठ के अंतरंग के अनंत कोटि स्थिति भी इसलिए ऐश्वर्य और माधुर्य के तात्पर्य के अनुसार
So according to the Aishwarya Madhurya, we compared about these all things. We told about the three dhams of Krishna yesterday: Dwarika, Mathura, and Vaikunt, O Golok Vrindavan.
पूर्ण पुण्यकर
So this is called Tridashwara.
ये माधुर्य ऐश्वर्य आदि की तात्पर्य के अनुसार पूर्ण पुण्यकर
So according to the comparison of Dwarika, Mathura, and Golok Vrindavan, we told about the complete, more complete, and the fullest complete. Vaikuntha Jantapara. Raghunath Das Goswami in the shlok is saying, so the Dwarkapuri is greater than the Vaikunt, because in the Vaikunt, Krishna is residing in the form of Narayan, and the same Srimati Radhika is residing there in the form of Lakshmi. But the form is there. There are just like kinds of service, which is called Dasya. In the Vaikunt, Shanta Pradhan, the Shant is prominent there and Das is secondary there. Shant means the Nishtha. So Dasya is very ordinary form there. That's why Shanta Pradhan, the Shantis Ras is prominent there and Das Ras is secondary. And if he goes to Ayodhya, so there is Dasya Pradhan, the Das is prominent and the Shant is secondary. And if he goes further, if we reach to Dwarika, so in that Dwarika we have seen there is little bit speciality there. There 16,108 queens, Mahishya, and especially Krishna with their sons and other family members, they are behaving like a common person.
16,108 पाटरानी यहाँ
So
पर
there are 16,108 Patranis. So every queens have 10 sons and one daughter,
और नाजनी कितने नाती पोती आदि ये सब
and nobody knows that how many grandsons and they all have.
कृष्ण ये साधारण
So with there in the Dwarika, Krishna is just like performing Leela like an ordinary common grasta. Sometimes he is laughing and joking with someone. There is no laughing and joking.
सुना नहीं जाता
It is never heard that Narayan is laughing, joking with Lakshmi. And even in Ayodhya, we have not seen or we have not heard like this that he is totally bound with the Maryada or limitations, that we have never heard that Ram is laughing and joking with Sita ji. But in the Dwarkapari, we have heard this. It is mentioned in the scripture too that Krishna is doing laughing and joking with their family members, with their queens, pasar, chosa, chopper, pasar. So they are replacing like a pasa there. Krishna is playing with the queens. So this all kinds of leela is happening in the Dwarka.
इसलिए वैकुंठ जनितो वरा दरवत्ता यत्र खलति प्रभु सदर आत्मजाता अपने भाई बलदेव प्रभु जी का
So their brother Baldev Prabhu stays there also,
आदि के द्वारा
and with their sons and the grandsons, he are doing performing many kinds of leela.
इसलिए
That's why
द्वारकापुरी के जो है
so Dwarkapuri is
पूर्ण धाम का वैश्य
is called the Purna Dham. It's the complete dham there.
सामान्य मातृ
So
प्रधानी का
there is Aishwarya Pradhan. Aishwarya is prominent and the Madhurya is secondary there.
तुलना करें वैकुंठ
So if we compare about the Vaikuntha, Dwarka, Golok Vrindavan, if we compare about the Vrindavan to Dwarika, so Madhurya is very common or rare there. So have you heard, we have already heard yesterday about,
की कथा जो
you have heard the story about the Parijat Pushpa,
अथवा कृष्ण जो है रुक्मिणी के साथ हाथ प्रयास करते हैं
and Krishna was doing the laughing joking with Rukmani. Hey Rukmani,
सुंदरी हो
you are so beautiful
और मैं तो सुंदर है
and I'm not so handsome.
तुम राजकन्या हो
So you are the queen lady
इसलिए तुमको
or princess. So that's why many kinds of kings are ready to marry with you.
ऐसे इसी कर
So he was saying like this to
समस्त कथा श्रवण
Rukmani.
तो इसी प्रकार अनेक प्रकार के हास परिहास
So in this way, many kinds of hasya pariyas, laughing, joking was going on in Dwarka.
रुक्मिणी आदि के रुक्मिणी सत्यभामा आदि के मान मनाना एक परिजात
So breaking the man of Satyabhama, Rukmani, and
ये सब भी कथा
he brought the Parijat Pushp from the Swarg. This is all, there is a katha. It happens in the Dwarkapuri. You have maybe heard about all these things, but in the background, nothing like that.
इससे ऊपर कहा गया
So greater than this,
वैशिष्ट क्या है
so what is the greater speciality in Mathura Dham?
प्रकाश है
There is Vatsalya also there.
कृष्ण की जन्म की कथा भी
Krishna's burn katha is also there.
जहाँ पर ईश्वर वर्णन होता है
So this is all this mentioned into the scriptures.
उनसे कारागार में
So he got the butt in the Kan's prisons.
कृष्ण के वर्णन के जन्म लीला के कथन वर्णन करते हैं और इसके ऊपर जो गोलोक
And
वृंदावन
above
में
them, the Golok Vrindavan.
पर्वत लीला
So there Bhagwan is performing most complete common Leela.
और नवकिशोर नटवर ये संत है उनकी रूप माधुर्य पर
So there is a Roop Madhurya described on Natvar form. So Sakya Dasya, Sakya Vatsalya or Madhurya Ras, he is relishing the love there.
पत्थर दास तरस की सेवा
Rakta Patrak are serving there in the Dasya. Subal Shridama serving the Sakya form, Nand Yashoda are serving in the Vatsalya form, and the Gopis are serving in the Madhurya Ras.
कार्य के रस के द्वारा
So they are serving the Parkya mode there also.
इसलिए ये समस्त
So that's why these all, which are the views,
हमारे आचार्य पाद ने
so our Acharya Pad showed them.
पूर्णतम धाम
So that's why Golok Vrindavan is the most complete dham.
इस कथा कथा के सालन में
So we have already heard this katha yesterday very nicely.
और जिसमें और एक कथा भी काल हम लोग वर्णन
So we
किया
have also heard one katha where then Krishna,
है। इस प्रकार
how Krishna,
ब्रह्मा आदि देवताओं की भी मोह के जो है
so how he has break the man, or
उनकी शंका आदि जो है
so whatever the doubts Brahma had in his mind, so he has broke that. And Brahma was thinking that I am one and only Brahma in this creation.
ब्रह्मा जी के बारे में बताया था।
So I told you about the Brahma. So Brahma ji was thinking that I am the one and only Brahma in this whole creation. So you have heard this katha also.
फिर अनंत करोड़ विश्व अनंत करोड़ ब्रह्मांड की ब्रह्मा को देखकर तो
So Emmanuel Brahma came when Krishna was attending the Sudharma Sabha. He was in Sudharma Sabha. So I told you all these katha.
इंद्र आदि देवताओं के कभी कभी भी अहंकार हो जाता
Sometimes Indras and other kings has this kinds of ego also.
है। अहंकार को चूर्ण विचूर्ण करने के लिए
For breaking their ego, so Krishna has to lift it the Raj Govardhan. So we have heard already this katha.
इसे कहते हैं
That's why
अंतपुर गोलोक वृंदावन की माधुर्य परिमंडी ऐश्वर्य वैश्वर्य अनंत कोटि किंतु वृंदावन में जो ऐश्वर्य
so the Aishwarya in Vrindavan.
समस्त वैकुंठ के ऐश्वर्य की जो एकत्रित किया जाए
So if we collect all kinds of opulences of the Vaikunt,
कई गुना
so it is many more.
वृंदावन
So there are many kinds of,
किंतु वो
or
समस्त
you know,
ऐश्वर्य
greater opulences
अवृत है
Vrindavan, but it is covered by the Madhure.
जिससे ब्रजवासी लोग
So by that Brajavasi people think that Krishna is not Bhagwan. He doesn't accept Krishna as Bhagwan.
देखी लो ऐश्वर्य माने कृष्ण के सारे
So the Brajavasi has seen all kinds of opulences of Krishna, but still they are thinking that Krishna is just like a common person. They are not accepting Krishna as Bhagwan.
कृष्ण के नहीं मानते भगवान नहीं मानते क्योंकि उनके जमीन
Because in their heart
एक ही
there is one feeling they have in their heart
कृष्ण हमारे
that Krishna
परिवार के
is a family member. He is just very familiar to us. So they are treating them like a common person, just like Brahma ji was bound to say, Aho
नित्यम परमानंद पूर्ण पूर्ण ब्रह्म
Sanatanam.
ब्रह्मा जी स्तुति में करते
So Brahma ji doing this stuti in this way.
हैं। ये ब्रजवासी के सौभाग्य उनको कैसे
So look at the fortune of Brajvasi.
है अहो भाग्य मंगल नंद गोपर देव के साथ नंद ब्रज में रहने वाले जितने भी व्यक्ति
So the peoples who are staying in the Nand Braj,
और मतलब कृष्ण के क्या क्या मानते हैं
so they think Krishna, he is just like their friends, their sons. So they have just like a common relationship with the Krishna. Just like in this world, we also treat our mother, father, brothers and sisters in the same way. Brajvasi is treating with Krishna in the same way.
ब्रजवासी जन कृष्ण के सामान्य मनुष्य समझ करके
So Brajvasi was thinking Krishna is just a common person.
और उनके साथ प्रेम करके आगे जाते हैं।
So they were accepting or transferring the love with Krishna in the same way. And Suvalsaka also was saying that
इतने सखाएं हैं
Sakha who was saying, Tumi kono bada log.
साथ ऐसे क्यों मिला
They have this kinds of affection that what do you think that you are greater than us? No, you are not greater than us. So they are laughing and joking. They are keeping himself on the shoulder of
नंद
Krishna.
पुत्रवत स्नेह आदि करते हैं
Nanda and Yashoda, they are treating him like a son.
पुत्रवत नहीं पुत्र ही
Or
मानते
not Putravat, just like not like a Putra. They are all they treat him like a son, not like a son, son.
पुत्र ही मानते हैं। इसलिए कहते हैं, माता मरी पुत्र भावे करे लालन पालन।
So Krishna for Nanda Yashoda, he is not like a son. Actually, he is son.
ये बालक जैसे कोई गलती करे
If somebody commit a mistake, so in this way, all the father and mother, parents are ruling on that child in the same way.
सुधारने के लिए उनको ताड़न भर्सन भी करते हैं
In the same way, Nand and Yashoda is ruling on Krishna. So they carrying the stick on his hand. They are ruling on Krishna, who is the Anant Koti Brahmand holders. Krishna and the mother Yashoda carrying a stick in her hand, and she is ruling and teasing to Krishna that time.
जिनकी आंखों की पलक पड़ने से अनंत करोड़
when he closes his eyelids, so all kinds of creation happens, destruction happens. Whose desires Brahma is creating the world, whose desires
नारायण जो
Narayan is nourishment, nourishing all Brahmans,
पालन पोषण करते हैं,
and whose
जिनकी इच्छा
desires
से यह सृष्टि
Shiva is
संसार
destroying all the creations,
जिनकी इच्छा से माया कारागार आदि सृष्टि करते
and whose desires Maya is made a presence.
हैं। तब वो इच्छा मत तुम्ही सर्वे सर्वेश्वर
Tumhi
तब वो इच्छा मत ब्रह्मा
करे
करे
न
सृजन
सृजन।
तब वो इच्छा मत ब्रह्म की
विष्णु करे पालन
विष्णु करे न पालन
सब
तब वो इच्छा मत श्री करे न
वंश
तब वो इच्छा मत
माया
माया सृजे कारक
सृजे
तब
कारक।
वो इच्छा मत जीवेर जन्म मरण
And just because of desires, Jeev is dying and taking birth.
सबके इच्छा किसके ऊपर है?
So all is coming from, all is happening with, according to the desire of Krishna.
इच्छा बिना एक पत्ता
Without the
भी
Krishna's desires, one leaves cannot move from here to there.
उनकी इच्छा जब तक नहीं है संसार
Until he desires, nothing can be happens. Winds are flowing, devtas are doing everything. So devta is doing everything according to Krishna's desires. They are working their duties, they are paying their duties. From east to west, west to north, north to south, every direction is, following Krishna's order.
ऐसे परात्पर प्राप्त
So that kinds of Paratpar, the Parash, who the Supreme Personality of God had, he is punished by the Mother Yashoda. How beautiful pastime is that? And you have heard already the glories of the gopis. Krishna is saying himself. So Brahma and other devtas, when they do the stuti of mind with the Veda mantras, I don't like them. But when gopis chastise, teasing me, and they are abusing me, so I like that. I like that. This is the more greater than, it feels me like a greater than the stuti of Brahma and other devtas. So hearing these kinds of teasing or abusing words by the gopis, Krishna feels so much pleasure in his heart. So how Krishna is behaving like a lusty person. He entered into the Radhaji's kunj, and just like an offender, he is holding his tears and doing up down, up down. So this kinds of leela is Krishna doing in the Braj. So Prabodhananda Saraswati Pad in the Rasa Rasadanidhi. So we have heard the story of Nidhivan, how Krishna, just like offender, when he was trying to enter into the kunj of Radharani, so all the Sakhis or the gopis, when they got man, have shut the door. So how Krishna was crying there and putting his nose on the ground, and how he's praying in the feet of that gopis or Sakhis, that how can I break the man of Radharani. So this all kinds of leela we have heard. So this is kinds of a stage of love. So we have heard this katha, the Dhir Lalit Nayak, Roop Madhurya Veduma. नहीं हाँ याद था. Navayovan, he is always youthfulness. He is always in the youthful form. Navayovan, Parihaspatu. he
बातचीत
is
करने में
so he is very expert in talking.
very smart होता है।
He's too much expert in talking.
कथा को
Paryaspatu.
घुमाने वाले
So he can mold the words. He can mold the words here and there.
आज जैसे एक बार कहा
Just
गया,
like whatever he said,
राधा जी के बोले
he said to Radha ji,
हे
"Hey Radhe,
चंद्र,
hey Chandra."
राधा जी मान है मेरे साथ पास रहकर आप चंद्रावली के
So Radha ji got man that you are reminding Chandra before me.
मान बनाने के बाद राधा जी के पीछे कृष्ण कहते तुम मान नहीं राधा जी तुम हमारे पास है तुम
So Radha ji was saying that you are remembering Krishna, Chandra. So how Krishna mold the words there?
अरे
Arey
तो
no,
पूरा शब्द तुम सुना ही नहीं
you didn't heard my full words.
एक आता था
I was
ये
saying,
चंद्रानन
hey Chandra Nani.
है।
I was saying, hey Chandra
आपके
Nani.
मुख कैसे चंद्र
So
के
your
मान
face is like moon.
मैं ये बोलना चाहता
So I wanted to say this, but you didn't heard the full word.
हूँ
So why did Krishna?
कृष्ण बोले मैं तो बोल नहीं
So Krishna said I was going to complete the word, but you in the between you stopped me. You heard the name of Chandra and you stopped me. So you got man.
तो इसी कहा जाता है परिहास
This is called Parihaspatu.
और प्रेयसी वैसे
Priyasi Vashibhuta. Third one is Priyasi Vasubhuta. And the fourth one, this kind. Dil Navyavancha.
नवयौवन और निश्चिंत
Navyavancha.
निश्चिंत
Parihaspatu.
कोई चिंता नहीं रहते कोई किसी
प्रियसी वशीभूता
गजराज
और निश्चिंतता.
नंद महाराज के पुत्र है राजा हो तो अनेक प्रकार की चिंता रहता
If
है जो राजपुत्र होते हैं उसके
so, the king has so many kinds of tension in his mind, but who is the prince, the son of the king? He is always nischint, tension free. He is always tension free. So that's why he is nischintata. So these are four kinds of prominent quality of Dhilanit Nayak,
धीर ललित नायक की जो है
who is controlled by the gopis. Priyasi Bhakti Bhutam is controlled by the gopis.
कृष्ण completely controlled by his
Consoled.
अपने प्रेयसी के द्वारा
So who is all you have heard completely controlled by their Priyasi. So Priyasi means Shrimati Radhika.
निरंतर
He is totally controlled by his Priyasi.
विवाह कटाक्ष
Bhaj mam kada karikshasi hamam kripa kataksh bhaj nam.
निरंतरं वशीकृतं प्रतिदिनं
हवा नहीं आ रही हमारे पास में कुछ भी. You are taking too much हवा.
इसलिए इस
That's
समय
why he is totally controlled by Shrimati Radhika Rani. So this is all described.
आगे भी कथा
Now we are going to further katha.
श्री कृष्ण की कृपा की अचिंत और औतिकी है इसमें
So now we are hearing about the text number 22.
इस भजन रस के ग्रंथ
So in the Bhajan Rasya Granth,
प्रथम स्कंद
in the 10th canto, 16 number shlok, no, 10th canto, 16 number 36 hai Guru?
16 प्रथम स्कंद
10th canto,
कैंटो
16 number chapter,
16 चैप्टर
36 shlok.
सवांग्रेणु वर्षाधिकार यदवंचसि करुणाचरोत्तमो विहाय कामाय
Suchiram Dhritavarta.
कृपा कथा प्रसंग में वर्णन है
So this katha is also described when Krishna
सहस्रफन पर जब उठता है
when Krishna was dancing on the hood of Kaliya,
उस समय
and that time Kaliya,
मरने वाला
he was about to die, so the blood is coming out from his mouth.
वर्णन करता है किंतु कालिया कृष्ण के प्रति श्रद्धा नहीं करता
Kaliya doesn't have the faith towards Krishna. He was very rascal,
किंतु अभी मृत्यु के समय
but at the time of that,
अभी कृष्ण के स्मरण
he is remembering Krishna.
है वहां से जब पुण्य
when the blood is coming out from the mouth of Kalia, so he is thinking,
ऐसे नृत्य करने वाले
so who is dancing? Who is dancing on my head? Who is that person?
तो वही विचार करने
So he was thinking like that. He cannot be common person. That my wives, the Nag Patni, the wife of Kalia,
बार महिमा को कीर्तन करते
when they were glorifying Krishna, so Krishna, the Kalia was not believing on that.
तो उस समय कालिया जब मरने के समय आ गया
So at the time was Kalia going to die.
गाने लगे
So when the blood is coming out from the mouth,
तब उस समय
so at that time,
नागपत्नियां जो है
all the wives of the Kalia,
कृष्ण के निकट
she was praying before the Krishna, so which is called the Stuti of Nag Patni, the wives of Nag, Kalia. So Nag Patnis was prayed to Krishna, O Lord, we cannot understand what sadhan our husband has performed to become qualified to receive the touch of the dust of your lotus feet.
और उनके साधन के फल क्या है
So what is the fruit of that sadhan?
आपके चरण
That he has taken the dust of your feet.
अधिकारी हुआ है
He has become the adhikari of taking the dust of your feet. What kind of sadhan bhajan he has did in his birth.
प्राप्ति करना अति दुर्लभ का
So the dust of the Bhagwan's feet is really rare.
ब्रह्मा आदि
It is really rare to the Brahmas and other devtas. So Brahma and other devtas are praying to get the dust of that Brahma's feet or Bhagwan feet.
ब्रह्मा जी
So Brahma ji is doing austerity, in Varsana. Brahma Parvat. He is doing austerity in the Brahma Parvat in Varsana.
ब्रह्म पर्वत के ऊपर राधा कृष्ण की जुगल की संसार की अनेक लीला
So many kinds of pastimes had happens in that Brahma Parvat. We used to go at that.
स्थान क्या है श्री जी के लिए मंदिर का है
So what kinds of place there? With the temple of Shri Ji.
वो राधा कृष्ण की विलास क्रीड़ा भूमि का है
So this is the playing place of Srimati Radhika Rani and Krishna. Many kinds of Leela took a place there.
राधा कृष्ण की विलास भूमि का है
So that is called the Vilas Bhumi of Radha Krishna.
ये जन्म जो है नीचे विश्वभानु महाराज ने दिया है
So Radha Rani got birth in the Vrishbhanu's palace, which is which is below the Parvat.
ऊपर जो है
But on the mountain,
क्या है क्रीड़ा भूमि का है
this is called the Vilas Bhumi, the playing place.
कि अनेक प्रकार की लीला आदि
So many kinds of Leela took places there.
आज लोग इसके सोचते हैं जो राधा
So people think
स्थान का है
that this is the birthplace of Radharani. Yes, some people have this kinds of doubt, but actually Radharani's birthplace is down,
और विश्वभानु महाराज
where Vishwanu Maharaj. Yes,
महालय क्रीड़ा भूमि
so there is a palace of Kirtika Palace. You have maybe gone there.
के ऊपर जो है
So on the mountain, this is called the Krida Bhumi, the playing place of Radha and Krishna. They have performed many kinds of leelas there. So Shivji is also doing austerity in the Nandagaon in the form of Nandishwar Parvat.
कृष्ण के चरण धूलि प्राप्ति
So
ऐसे ऐसे
getting the dust of Krishna's feet, there are kinds of devta like Brahma and Shiv. They are doing austerity. So how Kaliya can get this dust on his feet, on his head?
भगवान की स्तुति आदि करने
So that's why this wife of the Nag Patni, Kaliya, she was saying like this, that he is rascal. So you are punishing him. He is the adhikari. He is a capable person for taking all bearing all kinds of punishment.
हे प्रभु
But hey Prabhu,
हम लोग समझ नहीं पाते
we are not able to understand
कि पूरे दिन की कौन सा
what kind of good deeds he had did in his last birth,
आपके चरण
that he is getting the dust of your feet.
आपके चरण के रज की इतने दुर्लभ है
This dust is so rare that to attain it, even your wife Lakshmi gave up all forms of enjoyment for many days and perform austerity. It's according to the rules and regulation. Just like we have heard that in the Belvan, Lakshmi is doing austerity.
कालिया के कौन से साधन का
So what kind of sadhan or bhajan our husband Kalia did, that he got the feet of your dust? This is a speciality.
संस्कार क्या है
So what kind of impression of last birth of Kalia have that he got this dust? In the Puranas, there are many kathas.
पुराण की कथा तो बहुत विशाल है, पुराण
So Puran katha is too much big.
पुराण की
So different kinds of have different katha.
कालिया प्रयोजन में एक राजा था,
So in the previous birth, Kaliya was a king.
और उसके पेट में सदा सर्वदा दर्द होता था।
So he always got pain in his stomach.
अनेक प्रकार के औषधि आदि सेवन भी
Many
किया,
kinds of aushidhi or medicine he took, but he was not get any profit,
तो राजा
any benefit with that. So that king, he was very sad and upset that time, and he said one
उस समय
place.
पे एक संत महात्मा
So at the time, there is sent person came and he said, Maharaj,
आपको मैं बता रहा
I just tell you one thing that I am suffering from this stomach pain.
हूँ, इस पेट के दर्द ये ठीक हो जाएगा।
So that sant person said that your stomach pain will be okay.
बगीचा में दो कबूतर आता है,
So there are in your gardens there are two kinds of pigeons comes.
करके
So if you catch that pigeons and you eat that,
आपके ये दर्द
then your stomach pain will go away.
उस कथा सुन करके राजा
So hearing that katha,
पुराण को कबूतर के दोनों कबूतर के पकड़ के
so he tried to catch that both pigeons, but it was not
राजा ने क्या कि वैष्णव
it was not possible to him. But what he did, so he took a form of Vaishnav and he was wearing tilak and put on dhoti. So he went to the garden and then both pigeons came to the king. So,
राजा के हृदय परिवर्तन हो
so being a Vaishnav, his heart was changed. He was thinking,
सकते पूर्वजों ने मैंने कोई कर्म किया,
maybe in my previous birth I have done something bad. That is why I am suffering from this stomach pain. So why should I, kill that both pigeons? So that's why he didn't kill both the pigeons and he left them.
महाराज
Then both the pigeons said, Maharaj,
बताता हूँ
we tell you one thing.
आपके ये रोग कैसे ठीक हो,
How this, you can get away or get rid of this kinds of pain in your stomach pain. So he said that there is a tree in your garden.
गड्ढा में
In the whole,
अंदर में
in the root,
महात्मा रहते
in the root of that tree, there is a Sant Mahatma is staying.
महात्मा के चरण में आपको अपराध हो,
So you have committed some offense into the feet of that Sant person.
इसलिए
That's why
महात्मा की चरण धूल का जल
if you take the water of his feet or charnamat, then you will be all right. Then your stomach pain will go away.
तो राजा ने किया
So what Raja did,
तो वहाँ पर गए,
he went there and the downside.
जाकर के देखा
So he saw the Mahatma there.
पेट के अंदर का गड्ढा है,
So
दिखाई
so he that seen that there is a hole, but there is no Sant Mahatma is there.
तो राजा ने किया कि
What Raja did that time?
वो संत महात्मा के प्रणाम करके अंदर राजा
दिखे थे उसको?
हैं?
दिख गए?
नहीं देख नहीं पाया,
Okay, he was unable to see him because there was a hole and darkness, but he was not unable to see. But thinking that he is there, so he did the pranam there.
संत महात्मा के देश के हे संत महात्मा
So he was praying to Sant Mahatma, hey Sant Mahatma,
आपके चरण में मेरा अपराध
if I have committed some offenses in your feet, so that's why
चरण मुझे देकर के
please give me your feet or please give me that the water of your feet or charnamrat so that I can be get rid of this my.
पेड़ की गड्ढे से एक पैर निकल गया,
So from the hole there is a feet come out.
पूरा खोल
Oh my God! So all the feet was full of leprosy, all kinds of rakt and peep and many things were there. So he was a mic person, so he was thinking, how can I take the charnamrat of this feet?
इसलिए मनी में विचार करने
So he was thinking in his mind,
एक पैर तो
so this feet is full of leprosy, so maybe the other feet will be okay. So he said, Maharaj, please give me your another feet.
दूसरी चरण आ गया,
So when he has given the another feet, so it was more worse than that other previous one. So there was some kidas and falling down on the ground with that feet. My Hari bol. So what to do now? He was thinking now what to.
बूंद रक्त की बूंद
So he took some drops of bloods and some insects were in his hand. How he can take this? some insects and the blood and something very bad came into this. So how he can take the charnamrat? So so the Sant Mahatma said, Murk, you are rascal, you are cheater. You wanted to take my charnamrat. You have come here in this way. So I have given you the charnamrat. Why are you not taking it? But this is a
जब राजा
when Raja,
उस चरणामृत को जो है
when he saw that blood,
होठ को लगा के
when he touches on his lips and he touches
सुगंध आने लगे
on his head, so there was a beautiful fragrance. There was a very nice fragrance was coming out on these all these things in the blood.
और राजा हाय हाय कर
And Raja was saying, "Hi, how, alas!"
साधु ने अभिशाप दे दिया
And Sadhu cursed him.
तो उन्होंने
Oh,
एक
मूर्ख!
और अंदर में ग्रहा
So you are saying something and doing something. You are the cheater.
है मोदी मोदी कृष्ण की जिहादरे दिले को हला मुंह में तो बड़ी मीठी मीठी
So by the mouth you are saying so much beautiful things that I am the offender. I have committed aparat. So and this and that. So I would like to take the charnamrit of your feet. So you are saying this right, but internally you are not taking that.
छल स्वभाव
So this is the cheating propensity. So this is called a cheating propensity.
स्वभाव किसको होता है
Who has the cheating propensity? Like the snakes have this kinds of propensity.
सांप खल स्वभाव को
The snakes are cheater. The snakes are cheaters. So he's rascal. So he said, "You go and become the snake."
सांप को अभिशाप दे
And that Mahatma. So because I have cursed you now, you have to become a snake,
बनोगे
Kalia.
कालिया हो गया
So he said that now I have cursed you, you have to become a snake. So you have become a Kaliya snake, and in the Dwapar your Krishna will come, and Krishna will dance on your feet.
नृत्य करेगा
He got this kinds of cursed,
स्वयं कृष्ण
and Krishna himself,
सिर पर अपने चरण चिन्ह
and he will put the footprints on your head.
वही राजन जो है
So the same king in this Dwapar Yuga, he become a Kaliya Nag.
जो है गुरु के साथ
So the further katha is that he got a fight with Garun, and after that he came to, according to Bhagavad Gita's katha is mentioned. कौन से ऋषि? ऋषि कौन से थे? Shobri Rishi. By the Shobri Rishi.
ये समस्त जब
So this is all katha mentioned in the Bhagavatam. You have heard us already. Huh? Shobri Rishi. So he said you have already heard this katha.
कबूतर ने कहा ना जरूर कबूतर कहा संत महात्मा चरण में तुम्हारा अपराध हुआ क्या अपराध हुआ नहीं बताएगा
So he didn't tell that what kind of offense he did, but he has committed some offense in the feet of Santa Mahatma.
क्या करो चरणामृत पान करो
So that's why that pigeon said that if you want to get rid of this stomach pain of this curse, so you have to take the Charnamrit of that Mahatma. Okay. So this was the story there. But what kind of aparad he had did?
तो वो लेने के समय तो
So while he was taking the Charnamrit, so he was doing, yo, how can I take it? So you have heard this all. So the same king became the Kalyanag,
के साथ जो है बैल युद्ध हुआ
and he got a fight with Karunji, and this is all described in the Bhagavatam very nicely. Maybe you have heard all.
कालिया दमन की लीला
So you have heard the story of Kaliya Daman Leela, Kaliya killing Leela,
और दो और एक भी लीलाएं हैं।
and there is another Leela also.
एक संत महात्मा जो है
There was a Sant Mahatma. He left his all the household works and he went to the forest. So he was performing bhajan in the forest.
अपने भजन के अनुकूल उस जंगल में बना लिया
So according to their bhajan, he has make a kuti into the.
अपने भजन के क्या बनाया बुद्धि बल के लिए बना दिया
So for the performing the bhajan, he has made the Radha Kund, Sham Kund. So how he was performing sadhan there. So he made all these things there. So after that thing, after some times he was thinking, I have stayed in one place so long, so I just going for doing some pilgrimage. So he went for pilgrimages.
8-10 साल हो गए
So 8-10 years gone away.
फिर
Then
संत महात्मा भ्रमण करते करते देखा कि अब वहीं पर ऐसे सुंदर
so another Sant Mahatma came there and he saw that there is a beautiful bhajan kuti is there. Somebody,
महात्मा वहीं पर
so that Sant person was staying there.
ऐसे संत महात्मा
So when the first saint, the first person who was making all this thing, all the bhajan kuti, so he came, he said, who is staying here? It's my bhajan kuti.
कहने लगा ये
So that Sant Mahatma said, it is my place. So that another said, what? No place. What is what is mine?
तो इसी प्रकार
So in the same way,
दूसरे से
so the both the Sant person,
अभिशाप देने लगे
So they were giving cursing each other.
जैसे सांप अपने गड्ढा नहीं बनाते,
Just like
वहाँ बनाते हैं
just like snakes doesn't make their home, so when the mouse make their home, so they kill the mouse and enter into that hole. In the same way you are doing like this, so you become a snake.
पहले संत महात्मा
So the first person cursed to the another Sant Mahatma. Hey Bhagwan,
बोले अरे
Hare,
ये ऐसे हिसाब हो गया,
so you have given me this like curse.
महात्मा से बोले
So the another Sant Mahatma said,
हुआ जैसे
just like a crow,
वस्तु देख करके खाना
when he see the other person's tea and he wanted to eat that, in the same way you have did it, so you became crow. So they both have cursed each other. So one became crow and one became snake. So at that time Bhagwan Vishnu appeared.
भगवान विष्णु कहने लगे
Bhagwan Vishnu said, look,
तो दो संत महात्मा मानो मेरा दो भुजाएं,
so the Sant Mahatma are my two forms. You both are my two forms. Or arms, sorry.
चलो तुम लोग को नहीं,
So now I just give you a benediction.
या तुम कालिया होकर के बन
So you became Kaliya and you became Kagbhushundi.
कृष्ण तुम्हें
And another will become Kagbhushundi.
और तुम कागभूषणी बन जाओ,
And you became Kagbhushundi in Ramayana.
हुआ हुआ इसलिए वो कागभूषणी जो
So
है
that Kagbhushundi,
वही संत महात्मा।
he became that Sant Mahatma, and the Kaliya, he became that another Sant Mahatma.
ऐसे पुराण में
So it is mentioned in the Puran, many kinds of kathas are there.
इसमें भी वर्णन करते जा रहे
So it still is in this also described.
हैं। हे भगवान हम नहीं समझ पाते,
Oh Lord, we are not able to understand that what kind of sadhan bhajan this Kaliya has done, so that he is getting the dust of your lotus feet. So your dust of your lotus feet is so much rare that Brahma and other devtas are, doing the austerity. Even your console Lakshmi ji, she is also performing bhajan on austerity in the Belvan. Lakshmi cannot get the feet of dust or dust of feet of Krishna. अरे भगवान इतना शोर आ रहा है.
लक्ष्मी के भी वो संभव नहीं,
It's not possible for Lakshmi to.
क्योंकि कैसे
But how Kaliya did it? Got this?
भगवान की चरण इससे कथा काल बन
So we will describe this katha tomorrow very nicely. Okay. Very nicely explanation is also there. Gaur Premanande Hari Hari Bol. Jai Ho.
प्रसन्न भगवस्वरूप
और पूरा भर दो इसको.
याद है
याद है?